Hi friends, welcome to Tableau Talk. So in this video, we will see easiest way to display top 5 or top n customers for each region. So sometimes in interviews we get a question to show by each region. So I have joined to sample superstore dataset. So I will take customer name, add all members, then region, the sum of sales. I will sort that in descending order. Okay. So first step is like we need to create an index calculation, normal index calculation. So using index only we will calculate per region top 5 customers. So I will create index. So I will write index as a function. Then I will rename as index calculation. Create, select OK. Now, then we need to convert this index calculation to discrete. So I will convert it to discrete, and then I will place this next to customer name. So you can see uh, as like 1, 2, 3, 4, like up to 2508 rows we have. So we get ranking for customer name. So we need to use table calculation to solve this. So I will right click and edit table calculation. Then I will select specific dimension. I will keep region and customer name selected. Then at deepest level, the restarting level must be at region, and sort is based on custom sales. So I will click on custom sales, and it is a sum, and then descending. Okay. Now I will close this. Now if you see, central is having 1, 2, 629 records. So, and then again it is restarted from east as 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to like how many records the east region has, till that the ranking will be. So so the chart is divided into as per region. So I will click control button and drag this index calc to filter. Then I will select top 5. Like I want to display only top 5 for each region, and I will select OK, and I will sort them. So it is sorted already. Then I will enable the labels to show sum of sales. I will hide this index calc. So you can see the numbers are for top 5 for each region. So So that's all from this video. I hope you all liked the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe for such informative videos. Thank you.